Hey guys, today we're playing Newton's Playground. Shout out to Sloppy Studios. He's the one who made Newton's Playground. This is the new airplane map. If you don't want like annoying NPCs to go in your face, just kick them out. Bye bye. So we're gonna check it out, and yeah, we go over here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This area's off limits. This is the private deck. Unless you're a billionaire or a pop star, I'm afraid I can't let you through.
What? This will definitely let me go through. So, let's see what's in here. Hello. Let's play some pool. What do you mean? What do you mean I lost? You know what? Screw this! Get out of my head! You don't know how to play well. You don't know how to play well. Let's go through here.
Hey you! Don't just stand there. Come dance with us.
Bet. You can get the hell out of my plane. You can get out of here too. I said you can get out of here too. Get out of my plane. Ragdoll. Hey, what are you dancing for, buddy? Let's go down here.
Excuse me. You.
Me?
Yes, you. My drink appears to be empty. Go fetch me a fresh bottle.
You only need one, fat boy.
That's your answer, mate. Bye bye. You know what? That was kind of rude. So you can come here. You can get out. There is no wine on this plane. Only soft drinks are allowed. Hello.
Good to see you, sir.
Yeah?
You look like you need something delicious.
Sure, I'll have a donut. This tastes dry. It tastes like stones and bricks. Ah. Alright. Hello. Hi. Ready, watch this, watch this. Roadhouse. Okay. Back here again. Through this door.
If we crash, it's legally your fault now. Congrats.
Hopefully, you don't. Oh, that's it. Get out! Hi guys, I know it was a short video, but that was it. Hit that like and subscribe button.